Hello there, year ones. Welcome back. So, for today's English activity, all you have to do is match the picture to the word. Okay, so you just draw a line from this picture, this very first picture. Okay, is it a bun, a dog, a bed, or a jog? Okay, so you draw a line from the picture to the correct word. Okay. And then for your maths, all you have to do is work out the missing numbers in this sequence, okay? So in the sequence, they're missing numbers. All you have to do is figure out what the next number is. So it starts on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next number is, and that's what you write. Then for the second snake, the numbers go 10, 9, 8, 7. So what's the next number? And you write that in. Okay, so that's what you do for the maths sequence snakes. Okay, then we have a number to dot activity. It's really simple. All you have to do is connect the dots in order. Okay, so we always start at number 1, which is right here. So you go with your pencil from 1 to 2 to 3, down here to 4 and 5. Okay, once you connect the dots, it's gonna turn out to be a picture and you get to color the picture in. And that is all you have to do for today. I hope you enjoy these activities and you have fun with them.